Hey Brian, my name is Lance Little. I was actually calling you guys and didn't get an answer a couple times, but then I was looking at it and I was calling this number from this website, and then I clicked on here and I found your contact info. Anyways, I was making this video and just figured I'd shoot this over to your email and yeah, go from there. But anyways, again, my name is Lance Little, and I just wanted to share with you a few quicks and tips and tricks on business websites and your online presence on Google in particular. So when when somebody's looking for a landscaper, you know, typical person is going to type in on Google, landscapers Costa Mesa or landscaper Santa Ana or landscaping Santa Ana, whatever keyword or key phrase they're looking for in the landscaping field. And this is what you're going to see. So you're going to see this section right here, which is called the map pack. And then you go down a little further, and these are the organic listings. In to get so we're going to talk about three tips today on what you can do for your website. So to get listed in this top organic listing spots, Google is looking for content and backlinks. So content is just how many words and keywords you have on your home page. So I actually did both of yours, and you came in at about 460 words. To be labeled as an authority or to really be popular with Google, they're looking for 15 to 2,000 words of good content and good keywords, so that anytime people search up landscapers Costa Mesa, that keyword is found in your content on your website. The second thing, backlinks. Backlinks are just other websites referring back to your website. So we use this tool called Ahrefs. It just kind of gives us some numbers and data on different websites. So one of your top competitors in Costa Mesa is Costa Mesa Landscapers. Their website, they have 389 backlinks. They have 76 different websites pushing traffic 389 times to your website, or referencing your website 389 times. Sorry, not your website, but their website. Now that, not all backlinks are created equal. Some of these could be like a pizza place saying, hey, Costa Mesa Pro Landscapers did our landscape. And as awesome as that is, a Papa John's or a pizza place doesn't hold as much power as, say, another landscape company or another contractor saying, hey, go check out Costa Mesa Landscapers or Killelea Landscaping. Sorry if I didn't pronounce that right. um, so yeah, I threw in your website here, your URL, and there is no data shown for your URL. And I actually put in this URL as well, and I think it had like 2 keywords and maybe 1 referring domain. So just not a lot of data, not a lot of backlinks, and not a lot of keywords. So you have this nice website, but it's as if you had a cabin in the woods. The only people that really see it is you and maybe your close family and friends. So you have this website, but it's not getting any traffic because it's on Google's 10th page or wherever it may be. I actually saw your guys' website because it was actually an ad which is awesome that you're using ads. So I'm sure you're getting traffic that way. But having your actual website on this top page and in this map pack is going to get you so much traffic. I think you were on one of these ads down here on like the second page of Google. That's where I found you anyways. So yeah, to get into this organic listings, Google's looking for content and backlinks. And then to get into this map pack, they're looking for citations. And citations is just your business name, address, and phone number scattered across the internet as many times as you can. Now again, with same as backlinks, not all citations are created equal. Some have more power and authority. But this is just getting into pages like Yellow Pages, Yelp, local California directories, Yahoo. What else is there? Chamber of Commerce, different things like that. Just getting your name and all that, so that those are other places that people can find you. So you not only have the opportunity to get into this top organic listing spot, but you can also be seen twice in this up here as well in the map pack. So people look up Lanscapers Costa Mesa and boom, they see Killelea Landscape here, and they also come down and they see Killelea Landscape here, and you just have that much more traffic going to your website. So anyways, just wanted to share those with you. I hope it helps, and you guys can add that SEO and that marketing to your website. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we can kind of discuss some of these things and discuss your goals and where you want to take the business and go from there. But anyways, I wish you luck on your business and hope everything works out for you. Thanks. Bye.